I do Yahoo. The boy was supposed to teach me work. Say, I bring 2.5 million. Come learn Yahoo. I can't come now. Come learn Yahoo. They mad. How you doing, bro? We're investing, you know. I do my shit, bro. I just wanna look at my man, you know, shit. My brother. Over this court is over where your phone where niggas we are. Over one guy tell me who goes you out of here. I don't know tell the guy say I'm my roommate. Oh boy. The guy not look at myself and I wish I'm my roommate. A man say you court we come out to. It's a sin over your love. Man, you guys are enjoying, yeah. Mr. Ofo. Chairman. You have not done anything, sir. You spread that guy 50-50 naira 5. You make my own 10. Let me come. Should I transfer or which one are you doing? I use First Bank. Which account do you have? Which one? Microfinance. He be Yahoo boy. They say Yahoo boy is a use bank, no popular. My brother, apart from comedy, by the grace of God, I'm a courtist. No, I tell you, anywhere I go, I'm a courtist, bro. My brother, now last year they invite me for courtesan end of the year party. For Diop. Courtist, then they want to celebrate for the achievement of the year. And they do show. Shaman, spray money now. Spray something now. I said they do for worry. Trump, no Trump me be like say the show sweet. We Trump for all. Come on, but to stop me. Stop me money. Throw it now. This guy goes stingy. You see they calculate the 50-50 there. Say I spray my money so this guy, but brother didn't match my money. What's that word? Mr. Godfrey, leave video and pick money. That video is not important. For Taco, we don't need video. Ladies and gentlemen, I do Yahoo. I do Yahoo. I no pick. Hey, you know easy. Last week for my area, na maga pay maga oh. Bertram, Kluver, sorry, I'm not too the resemble. I need to understand. Kluver, when are you doing the transfer? Do it now. Invest. My RIP don't reach now. Who they pick this money? Pick. I know say the money. Chairman, should I come for the transfer? Let me come. I come quick. I don't rush. My brother, when I start do Yahoo, Mr. Alpha, should I come and meet you? Yeah, I know you do something later. That's how you do it. I do Yahoo. The boy was supposed to teach me work. Say, I bring 2.5 million. Come learn Yahoo. I can't come now. Come learn Yahoo. They mad. You know why? The Chris. Are you stupid? Oh, go and kill your papa. Are you mad? Now me the verse for the guy say Chris. The guy said the shadow. So now him your guy you speak. How your guy tell you to pick? Explain, my brother. I don't understand. He say when you want learn, I don't man pay. So now they realize that I be maga to your guy. Say ma pay now go find my own maga. My brother, if only you have to teach you. Ladies and gentlemen, as I was saying, apart from comedy, I'm a courtist. My brother, they don't do people for garrison before. Garrison boys there. Then they for back, they no shot. They don't dupe me. My brother, they dupe me for garrison. I go to work my Infinix phone. The guy carry IT screen, work Infinix. When I carry the phone, recharge, charge phone on the phone, they show me I tell Infinix. I did not tell Infinix. Sama, you have done? The name Isaac Bassy, head them. But you go see Isaac Bassy, head them there. Have you done it? Please celebrate this, our helper, please. It's our helper, right? KDC don't broke. For KDC, we tell the mother, men go back, men set table. It's not easy. Shaman transfer our beg. Now wait make me come here or less. What am I? Done? God bless you. If I be a man of God that I am now, he will see fire. My brother, leave all this the way they do. Don't be everybody here they scratch me DJ, some of them get infection. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, yo, I'm not got anything to tell you. Yeah. Where that guy? Chairman, until hey, you go spray. Spray, now just the chop up, I say I quarrel with you. Spray! Oh! Please, brother, round of applause for my sprayer, please. Round of applause. He's a player in the game. Come forward. Oh, this guy get pride. You see, they just waka. Your money go get pride, join you. Ah, wow. Miss Alpha, are you seeing people you senior? You senior them? Oh, wow. Don't spray your complimentary card, join. Spray your charger, I bet I need them. I go say you I got number, I go meet you after now. The Christ will meet you. My brother, I travel out, I go Benin. I travel. You know, say the way they take thief for abroad. No, but say they take thief for Nigeria. For abroad. If you be a thief, listen to this joke. It will help you. To help you. I know what I'm saying. My brother, yo. For abroad, thief get pride. For abroad, not thief go enter by supermarket, thief bread. They go. Now the guy say, Joe, you have not paying for the bread, man. See where thief they shout. Damn it, I'm paying for no bread, nigga. They say, bro, if they pick my money, I don't know you. The guy say, I'm paying for no bread, nigga. The guy that is supermarket guy, they ask him, say, how come you don't want to pay for bread? He said the US government gave you the flour for free. How come I'm gonna pay for bread? Tell me, bro. Me? Now the guy gonna say, I call cops. He said, call cops, nigga. He said, if you talk more, I take some bread on pizza. Wow. The guy will carry the bread, go. Nothing happened to him. Now one guy for DOB enter Calabar woman shop. Thief bread, they go. The woman tell us, my pikin, you never give me money. Oh. I'm paying for no bread, nigga. The woman tell them, my pikin, do it sweet. He said, we talk more, I take some granite. The woman tell us, my pikin, they say, fly when they hear, now for gravy, they handle. It is on a play, carry bread and go. 2 weeks later, they lap this guy for in belly down big passing head. Now then they beg, now the mama they speak now say, I don't forgive, man. Shit.
Shout out to girls that like party. Every show I go, you must date, yeah. Every time I see you with artists, it's like you owe your own label. Do the X-rated for the paycheck. You get naked for the latest. For the